He's been convicted already. That happened back in March. 5 charges of war crimes and crimes against humanity. Now Jean-Pierre Bemba is to learn his fate. On Tuesday, he will find out how long he is set to spend in prison. 25 years minimum. That is what the prosecution is calling for. The highest jail term ever imposed here at the International Criminal Court, and the first case which really focused on rape being used as a weapon of war. Bemba was vice president of the Democratic Republic of Congo, but prosecutors blamed him for ignoring the actions of his troops in Central African Republic. He had sent 1,500 of them in to help quash an attempted coup against its president. And it was there, between 2002 and 2003, that they carried out atrocities, a series of gang rapes of men, women and children, and murders as they propped up that regime. Some people were attacked as their relatives were forced to watch, a brutality that experts say would certainly have a long-term impact, not just on victims, but on whole communities. This is a case that has lasted for years. The trial began at the end of 2010, and Bemba will be the highest level person to be sentenced by the ICC, based in The Hague. His lawyers say he has already been imprisoned for 8 years since he was arrested in Brussels back in 2008. And they insist that he was not with the soldiers at the time, not even in the same country, so can't be held accountable for the actions of his men. That he is guilty, however, now an undisputed fact. How long he will remain in prison is now what attention is focused on, and what deterrent his case will serve as to others in the future. Lavelle, Al Jazeera.